Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do this impromptu live. So I am Julie Maxon, the Maine Stamper, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'm doing an impromptu live here on my Facebook page currently. This is where the live video is happening. I will be popping this over to YouTube as well so that everyone can get a really good look at the February card kit of the month. So this is something that I've been doing the last few months. I believe I started in September of 25, so we're a few months into this program, and I wanted to give you always a sneak peek of what those cards are for your monthly card kit. And it differs from the weekly card kit offering that I also do based on my live video on Monday. Are you already confused? Because I know it can be super confusing. If you haven't been following me for very long, there are a lot of offers that I put on the table to help you to make the most beautiful cards, really. So you have the offer of purchasing from my Stampin' Up store and getting a free card kit every week, or you have the offer that lets you get a card kit without buying Stampin' Up product in my online store, and you're getting that card kit at home to create something beautiful with. As mentioned, we are using the Simply Beautiful bundle for February. I just did my live card class on Monday with this bundle, and the offer for that class is current, and the offer for the February card kit of the month is current, and there are 2 sets of 4 completely different but so gorgeous cards, and I'm going to share them with you here so you have an idea, and I'm going to kind of go through what is involved with each offer, because I feel like if you know, I've been getting a lot of questions on these, if you know which offer is best for you, all the facts might just help you to make the best decision for your own card kit that you're going to get from me. So I'm really excited to bring you all of this great information. I'm just going to check my Facebook page really quickly because I want to make sure that I am live. Okay, I am live. This is awesome. Okay, I'm live. This is great. Okay, and I know it's impromptu, so like no one's paying attention. Everyone's going to be catching us on replay. Perfect. I love it. So let me get over to my workspace because what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the offers so that you can see how gorgeous these cards are. They're absolutely so beautiful. I love them. All right, let me get over here. So right here on my work surface, you're looking at the Simply Beautiful collection right now. So we are working with Simply Beautiful this week and this month. Now next week I'll be bringing in totally different card class. It will not be as Simply Beautiful as this one. This is the Simply Beautiful bundle, and this features the stamp set and the dies. So here are, again, a look at the dies. They're really gorgeous. Flowers. I love them. Now, the beautiful part about my card kits is you don't necessarily have to have this bundle to work with these products at home. You can just swap in whatever flowers, leaves you have. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, this look right here is the card class. I just did this live class on Monday, February, oh, let's see, whatever the day was, maybe the 2nd. I don't even know what today is, but it's early in February. Today's the 6th, right? Okay, so Simply Beautiful card class. To get these 4 card kits right here, and I shared how I made these on Monday during my live. These were the kits. You're getting everything in these kits. You're getting envelopes, card bases, all the parts and pieces that you're going to need to create this. So you're getting some die cuts, you're getting some embossed pieces. If there is twine or ribbon, those come to you too. So these are the 4 kits. This one has vellum in it. So you're getting, again, so you're getting some die cut pieces, you're getting the designer series paper coming to you. So those are the weekly, this is the weekly card kit, free with purchase. So when you spend $50 in product, after you've already applied your coupons, before your shipping and tax, I just need you to hit $50. You're getting 4 card kits in the mail. I do also send out emailed PDF card tutorials, which are fantastic. So you'll have the measurements and the directions, and then you can recreate these cards over and over again. So the class kit contains, again, card bases, envelopes, dry embossed, die cut pieces that are not part of the bundle. So if it belongs to the bundle, then you are in charge of having these if you want your kit to look exactly like mine, right? So you have to have the bundle basically to create the exact same thing, but you don't have to create the exact same thing. You always get 10% in Stampin' Rewards if you are signed up with Stampin' Up. This class offer ends Saturday at midnight because I'm going to cut the kits and I'm going to send them out early next week. And then the card recipes will follow. So that is what the weekly card class is. I come on, you can look for this video if you haven't seen it. If you're like, how did you do these cards, Julie? I went through one by one. I think it's like an hour-and-a-half video, 4 cards. So this was card 1, in case you want to fast forward and find something specific. Card 1. Then we went to card 2, was this beautiful pink one. Card 3 was this one. Very popular card, by the way. And then the last card is this one. In case you're wondering like how I put these together, you can go through that video and find those tutorials basically by video. Now let's talk about card kit of the month, because that is something completely different. You're looking at 4 different cards right now on my work surface. So with the card kit of the month, I'm taking my featured bundle, and this happens to be items from the Lovely and Beautiful suite. The Simply Beautiful bundle is what I used on this set. You are getting for this, instead of placing an order with me, you just order this kit. This is all you have to do, is order this kit. I have links for set up in PayPal, so you can use Venmo, you can use your debit card, credit card, whatever you want. So you're getting, with this card kit of the month, you get a 1/4 pack of DSP. And you're in charge of cutting your DSP for each card, so you can change it up if you want to. So you're getting a 1/4 pack. I cut them into 6x6 sheets. So you're basically getting a front and back of each pattern. So you'll be able to play with this paper. You have some nice samples here. You're also getting a pack of the pearlized faceted circles, because this is what I'm using on my card kits this month. So this comes to you. Then you're going to get 4 card kits, basically your envelopes, your card bases, all your extra die cuts, all your extra ribbons are coming to you as part of the kit. You also get a fun fold card tutorial emailed to you. I don't send the kit for it, but I do send a very beautiful tutorial with at least 4 pictures and directions on how to assemble. The fun folds are different every month, and they are exclusive to the card kit of the month. I don't share them anywhere else. You also get a little surprise gift, something sweet in the mail for me. This comes to you for $30 and includes the product, the kit, and the shipping. Now you have to sign up by February 15th to get this month's kit. And the kits ship approximately February 20th. So around the 20th of the month, these are shipping to you. So again, we're still using the Simply Beautiful bundle, and these are the cards you're going to be making. So you're going to get the embossed pieces here. You're going to get some die cuts. And again, all of this paper is in the paper that you're getting. So you're getting the ribbon for this one. You're getting a die cut here. There's some vellum involved on this one as well. This one right here, you're getting some specialty die cuts. The word beautiful is coming die cut to you. You're getting this postage die right here. And these are actually paper pumpkin dies, in case you're wondering where these dies are coming from. These are the current paper pumpkin dies, but I'm die cutting for you. I'm sending you a little bit of twine. We don't need too much to be on here. And then the same thing here. So a little bit of twine, an embossed piece. You're getting these labels coming to you because they're not part of the Simply Beautiful bundle. And these are the 4 cards that you're going to be creating with the card kit of the month. And aren't they gorgeous? Like, they are so pretty. And they really are different from the class. So I'm going to put them all up here so you can see there's different, these are softer and more feminine, I feel like, because the paper makes it so. And then down here, our card kit of the weekly card kit, I used different DSP and I changed it up a little bit. So these are all the products that I have been using. And I just wanted to share with you what the card kit of the month looks like and how you can get hold of yours. Now the fun folds, in case you're wondering, and I've never done one of these kinds of videos before, so this is something new. I'm going to try to do this every month so you guys can check out the card kit of the month. So I'm going to just do a walk down memory lane on the fun folds. You can see kind of what the fun folds are. So back in September when I started out, we were using the Gathering Leaves bundle. So this is kind of a fun fold like this. And this, again, was just an emailed tutorial. So that was September. In October, we used this really gorgeous, I can't think of the name of it right now, but check out this fun fold. This is a really fun fold, just like so. And if it was sitting up, it would look a little bit like this. This was a gorgeous fun fold. So that was our October. Then in November, we went into the snowflake season. So this was our fun fold for November. Again, these were all just tutorials that came based on the kit that we were doing. This one is December's. I really love this one. This one sits like this. It's gorgeous. I think December's was one of my favorite kits that I had done. Really pretty, right? That was the December kit. And then January just went by, and this is my January card, and it opens like this. And you can see on the back here, we've got some extra things where it folds back together. So there's just an example of the fun folds that I'm sending to you. So you can see that my cards have lots of layers and lots of details. Every fun fold card that comes by tutorial is going to be the same product that you're getting in your card kit of the month. So it's featuring the same bundle. It's featuring the same DSP, the same embellishment, so that you can continue to create with the product that you already have and you can create something super fantastic. So there we go, card kit of the month. And then of course the weekly class is still available if you're placing an order in my online store. And that is a look at what I have going on. So I'm going to be sharing this video over to my YouTube channel, so everyone over there can check it out too. I hope you guys are loving these cards. This Simply Beautiful bundle really has been a lot of fun to play with. So many gorgeous cards with it as well. So I hope you guys are inspired. If nothing else, look at some of these designs and get inspired by the color and all of the good stuff there too. So let me see if I can switch my camera back over and move it this way a little bit. And there you go. If you have any questions on either of these kits, please leave some comments for me and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. I look forward to creating these kits and getting them out into the mail to you as well. So thanks for checking out my sneak peek for February card kit of the month. And remember, next month, brand new bundle. We'll be starting out the month of March with a new bundle, featured bundle. And the first week I'll have my card class based on it. And then I will be offering the card kit of the month as well. So it's really exciting. And I hope you guys are enjoying this new program with me as much as I'm enjoying it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.